health research and the breakthroughs of health research is really the big challenge of the next generation, and that to abandon it now would be as absurd as abandoning space exploration in the early 60s. It's ill-timed and it's ill-conceived. It's one of the things that we've got to talk about. We need the public funding for the basic research. We need private investment in the execution of that research. We need the world cooperation in all of the research.
My experience is that the PDP has really allowed an unprecedented acceleration of the field, and has allowed people to get together from different areas of expertise that are very smart and create a critical mass that we have seen unbelievable progress on the scientific level within the last 2 years, 3 years. And it just keeps accelerating.
Tuberculosis in this country, most people think it's a disease of the past and not really a problem, but that's very far from the truth. In fact, it's a global public health emergency. There are 1.4 million people that die from it every year, about 9 million new cases. Even in the United States, we have about 11,000 cases a year, so it hasn't disappeared even from here. But it's a huge public health need, and the tools that are being used to try to control this epidemic clearly aren't working, and they're not working because the vaccine is 90 years old this year, and the drugs that we use are 50 to 60 years old, and they're just not adequate to really control the disease.
Our real accomplishment is to really just do things that wouldn't be done otherwise. Drug development is expensive no matter who does it, and it's going to take a lot of resources, but we're just doing things that don't really have a financial incentive for large pharmaceuticals to get into.
There's a lot of wonderful jobs associated with PDPs. It's really been an economic stimulus in those parts of the country, and we see more and more of them sprouting up around the country. So we're seeing an economic impact here in this country. We'll see health impacts here eventually as well, and we'll also see them in a really big way in other parts of the world where many of these diseases are endemic.